Hello everyone. How are you all, dear friends? I hope you all are fit and fine. Stay at your home and be safe. So today again it's a learning time and I am going to tell about alphabet K. So you all are ready? Yes? Let's start. This is capital K. This is small k. K says k k. K says k k. Once again, this is capital K. This is small k. K says k k. And now I will start a story. It is very interesting story about a king. So this story has all the objects related to alphabet K. Are you ready? Yes? Now start. Once there was a very large kingdom in which lived a king. K says k kingdom. K says k king. The king loved to fly kites, so he organized a kite festival in his kingdom. Oh, I love kites. K says k king. K says k kites. K says k kite festival. K says k kingdom. The king and Mr. Kangaroo were best friends. So he invited all the animals in the festival. K says k king. K says k kangaroo. The king and Mr. Kangaroo like to eat kiwi. So when they went to the festival, they enjoyed eating kiwi. K says k king. K says k kangaroo. K says k kiwi. After eating kiwi, the king and Mr. Kangaroo went to see the kites flying in the sky. There they saw that the kite bird was racing with a colorful kite. K says k kiwi. K says k king. K says k kangaroo. K says k kites. K says k kite bird. Now this is the time for recall everything. K says k kingdom. K says k king. K says k kangaroo. K says k kiwi. K says k kite. K says k kite bird. Thank you. So after the introduction of alphabet K, now we are ready to do the coloring in our block of alphabet K. So here we have capital K and I took my blue color for it. Are you ready with your notebook and coloring? Yes? So let's start. I will make the border first. I am going to start my border from upper side. This is the sleeping line. Yes. Now I am coming down and I am making the standing line. Be careful, dear. Your color should not go out from the block. Now here I am making again sleeping line. Okay, now I am moving to slanting line. Yes, now again I am making my sleeping line. Okay, now I am going upside again. Second slanting line, sleeping line, then downside slanting line, and my border is going to complete now. This is the standing line. Yes, my border is complete, and now I will fill the color inside. So I will use my up and down formation. Up and down, up and down. K says k, up and down, up and down, up and down. K, kite, up and down. K says k, up and down. Now here I am going to do the coloring in slanting lines. K says k, up and down. K says cattle, up and down. K says kangaroo, up and down. K says kiwi, up and down. And our block of capital K is going to complete. And it's complete. Now I will choose my light blue color and I will complete my small k. So are you ready for that? Okay, now here I am going to make border for a small k. Yes, K says kite. Now I am moving on the slanting line. Down, inside, downside slanting line, sleeping line, again back. And for the standing line I will go down. Now I will follow my sleeping line and I am going upside for the standing line, and my border is complete. Now I will fill the color inside. Again I will use my up and down formation. Up and down, up and down. K says k, up and down, up and down, up and down. K says k, up and down, up and down. K says kite, up and down. K says, are you saying king? Yes. K says kingdom. Yes. And K says key. K says kiwi. Then K says kangaroo. K says kite bird. Children, see, my coloring is going to complete now. Your coloring is due. You are doing your coloring. Your coloring is done. Okay, now alphabet K is complete. Okay, children. So after completing our notebook and workbook, we will complete our exercise in our workbook. In this, first question, we have two color K. One is in purple color and the other one is in blue color. So here we will take our crayon according to K's color. Okay. So I am going to select my blue color for the circle, the blue color K. Are you ready with your blue color crayon? And here I am going to start this one. Okay, now the next one. Yes, now the next one. Yes, and the last blue color K. Yes, my blue color circles are complete. Now I am going to change my color, and now I will take my purple color. Come on children, you all are also change your color. And here again I will make the circle for purple color K. Now the next one. Okay, the smallest one K. And the last K. This is done. Wow. In the next question, we have kangaroo and we will do the coloring in kangaroo. So for the kangaroo, I will select my brown color. You all also take your brown color. And start doing border. Move your color slowly. Uh-oh, it is wrong, so I am going to erase it. Yes. Now I am going to change my color with brown color. And here it is. Yes. See, I am making the border with brown color. You all also make your border with brown color. This is K says kangaroo. And now I am moving on the tail. Yes, now I am coming back. Kangaroo. This kangaroo we can see in Africa. No, we can see in Australia. Yes, we can see the kangaroo in Australia. And this has a pouch for its baby. K says kangaroo. See, you can see this kangaroo has a small pouch, and in that pouch it has its baby. Yes. And I am completing the border. Yes. I am doing the border in the hand. Now in the face. Okay. Now again in the ear. And finish it up. Yes. Okay children, and now I will fill the color inside in up and down formation. So come on, start children. Up and down. K says kangaroo. Up and down. K says kangaroo. Up and down, K says kangaroo. Up and down, K says kangaroo. Come on children, do it fast. We will finish it. Up and down, K says kangaroo. Up and down, K says kangaroo. Up and down, K says kangaroo. Up and down, and my coloring is going to complete. Yes, it's done. Okay, now for the next page, again I will take my blue color. Okay, so in this question we have 3 pictures, and these pictures are related to alphabet K sound. So we will find out K in these spellings, and then we will make the circle on the K. So first picture is K says kite. The spelling is here. So we will make the circle on K. Yes. Now the next is K says kennel. And kennel is the house of dog. So again we will do the circle on K. And in the last we have K says kiwi. Kiwi is a juicy fruit. Here we will make the circle on K again. Yes, this question is complete. Now in the next question again we have 3 pictures. Okay, in these pictures we have to find out which picture is related to alphabet K. Okay, and then we will make the right tick on the picture which is related to K. So here we have the first picture is, oh, it is K says kangaroo. So we will make right tick. Now this is lock. It is not related to kangaroo, kangaroo, but this is lock. So we will not make the right tick. Now next picture is ink pot. It is ink pot. It is also not related to K says kangaroo. Okay, so we will not make the right tick for the ink pot also. Okay, now downside we have a big kite. In this kite we have alphabets. So here we will try to find out our alphabet K. Okay dear children, now for alphabet K again I am going to change my color and we will do the coloring in this. Yes, I got it, the first one, and I am going to fill the color in this. Yes. Okay. Now in the next line, yay, the first alphabet is alphabet K. Okay. Now again the next is and the last one. Okay, our exercise is complete.